Hello everyone, this is Rajneesh and I welcome you all to another video on analysis of the trades taken for the day. So the day is 9th of May 2024, the day is Thursday. Still the market is yet to close by another 10 minutes. So we are recording the video and we are done for the day by 10:15 itself. Span of 50-55 minutes we ended our day. So coming back to analysis of the trades for today, see from the past 4 to 6 sessions we have been closing in red only in Bank Nifty. We are closing continuously, we are heading down. So today also Bank Nifty opened a kind of a flat opening was there here. It's not more than 100 points, not even 100 points I guess. From the closing, it is almost 80 to 84 points. So it was a kind of flat opening. On the opening itself, we made a very bullish candle and immediately crossing all the CPR support and the previous day close support, because see, whenever the supports in the previous videos also have mentioned, whenever the supports or resistance are within the range of 100 points, so those are all bound to be broken. Those ranges, these are not considered as supports and resistance. Only if the supports and resistance at a distance 200 250 points, such types of distance is there, then only it can act as a support. Or see, in this very flow of the movement itself, it has broken CPR and previous day close, and it has closed near the previous day high. See, this is a narrow CPR and we were expecting a trending day, but the very first move was bullish and we were not expecting a trending on the upper side. So on the very first candle, I entered the short trade. And what is the reason for entering short trade on the very first candle? See, from the past 5 to 7 sessions, 5 to 6 sessions, we have been closing in red. We are opening here and closing down. So we are not closing above the open of the open price for any of the trading sessions in the 4 to 6 trading session. See, already in the flow, it has crossed the CPR, it has crossed the previous day close. CPR, I'm sorry, CPR previous day close, and it has come down to previous day high. One thing, when it has broken CPR, it has broken previous day close, and somewhere or the other it has to take a resistance, right? So I thought of entering a short trade because already Nifty was at a major support and resistance. See here, on the very first candle, Nifty had crossed the CPR and took support at the previous day close. And Nifty usually respects all kinds of supports and resistance coming within its range. So Nifty doesn't move like the Nifty doesn't move in erratic ways like Bank Nifty. It always respects supports and resistance. It always respects the CPR. So whenever we see that Nifty is into a major support or resistance, we take a cautious action. So I was not planning for a long trade in the Bank Nifty when it has come down to the strong support. Instead, what I done, I waited for a minute and wanted to check if it was making any bullish candle or a bearish candle. The very open itself of the second candle, it made a bearish candle, and at 9.21, 9.21, I entered 180 quantities. So directly we entered 180 quantity today because we had a very small stop loss, and moreover the concern of decay, premium decay was not there, as today itself was is a Thursday, and this is the start of the first day of the week. Because yesterday we had expiry for Bank Nifty. Wednesday to Wednesday is expiry. So Thursday, today is the first day, and we don't expect much of the decay in the prices. So we entered directly 180 quantity, and at 449.65 price, and at 921.35. So when it started making a bearish candle, I entered immediately at the second candle here itself. Here, and stop loss was 100 points, and it took some support at and it took support at some previous day close for some time, and finally it gave a breakdown, and immediately on this candle we closed by profit, and net points we have got 200 points, and what had happened when this price was at this target profit booking zone, and Nifty was at previous day close, previous day low. Nifty was at the support of previous day low, and we thought if any bounce comes down from here, then we could lose all the profits what we have made. So I thought out of 180, I booked the 90 quantity here. 90 quantity I booked it to 516. 449, 450 round off we bought, and 516 we closed 9 quantity. And here in the second this thing, within 1 minute of time frame, we got 559.25. That is almost more than 110, around 110 points. Yeah, 110 points. And here we got 66 points in this quantity we have got. So the total profit was 15,853, and the brokerage is somewhere around 200 and change. Yes, 240. This is a brokerage. So always look for Nifty also if it is coming down for any major support or resistance, and that could be the main driver for Bank Nifty also. Always pay attention to this one. Randomly going for only considering only this Bank Nifty chart will not give us the result. We have to consider the Nifty chart also. See how beautifully it took support when it was already at the previous day close. See already Bank Nifty when has crossed the CPR previous day close, it has crossed the CPR, then it would have crossed even the previous day high also. Why? Nifty dragged it down because Nifty was at the previous day close support and the CPR also. In downtrend, it is one of the beautiful setup. In uptrend also, if there is CPR and previous day close in the on the bottom, it is very beautiful setup. In the up downtrend, if it is on the upside, it is very beautiful setup. So CPR plus previous day close on top in downtrend. So Nifty dragged it down completely. It took support near here. It consolidated for some time. Again, gave a breakdown. And here at this candle, Nifty was taking support. We exited 90 quantity and another 90 quantity in next 1 minute. So we exit in total. We made this 15,850. We have made a profit. So this was the analysis for today. Hope you got the point. So the point for consideration for today is, so one point, always look for Nifty chart for support or resistance. Second is always check for primary trend. Primary trend we have to consider while taking the intraday decisions because that is the main driver. If it was an uptrend, we could have easily planned for a long whenever this previous day high was broken. If previous day high was broken, we could have planned for high long trade. If it is a uptrend, just because it is a downtrend and Nifty is coming down at the support, you have planned for the short trade. Okay. So see you in the next analysis video. Till then, a very good bye.